Kumusta mga tol? Ayan, nandito tayo sa loob ng market ngayon. Kung napapansin nyo, ayan, kung nakikita nyo mga tol. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo mga tol, mga iba't ibang klase ng masala. Kinakamay na ni Insan yan. Mekos, di ba? Yan, si Tito, kinakamay ni Tito. Iba't ibang klase ng seed, tsaka masala.
পঞ্জিকা লাখ পঞ্জিকা আই গেল নতুন পঞ্জিকা নতুন ক্যালেন্ডার
Again?
The taro.
Gabi, yeah.
Gabi. You wanna get? I wanna get this to cook at home.
What do you want?
To cook this.
What will you cook?
I don't know. I'll ask mom.
No, what is that?
In SBS is kosu.
In Tagalog?
Gabi.
Gabi. You like gabi?
Yeah.
Gusto niya mga tol yung gabi kasi natikman niya yung laing sa atin.
This is the fresh one.
Ano, natikman niya yan sa atin yung laing. So, gusto niya raw. Pero kasi ito, sariwa pa. Pero hindi ko alam kung makatibayan or what. So, mahirap. So, ikot tayo mga tol. Yan, tabako.
Galay ito ki hoy?
Tabako. Yeah. Cigarette. Mga tol, malunggay. Pepper. Beetroot. So, halos nandito mga tol lahat sa market na to. Napapansin nyo. Ayan o.
Kalamansi.
Karni naman dito sa kabila. Ayan. Baboy. Ayan. So mga tol, halos nandito lahat. Halos Pinas, parang Pinas din, ano? Yung market nila dito. Ayan. So wala kaming magawa ni tol nila siya ngayong umaga, eh mag-ikot. Ito si Tito, mga masala ni Tito. Ang mga Tito dito, ayan. Busy sila sa pagtitinda ng kanilang mga paninda. At tayo naman mag-explore, mag-ikot. So mga tol, pupunta tayo doon sa pinakadulon itong market na to. May park daw doon. So check natin yun kung ano mayroon doon. Medyo mainit pero bearable naman yung init niya. Hindi katulad sa Thailand na parang susunugin yung balat mo sa init. Mga tol, check nyo to. Jollibee, right? Jollibee. They call it Jollibee mga tol. Ayan o. So gumagawa na si Tito. May mekos na si Tito.
Stop saying mekos. It's not mekos. It's sobrang mekos.
What?
It's not mekos. It's sobrang. Like
Sobrang.
he's gonna cook it probably there.
Yeah. Try natin yan minsan mga tol. Kasi masyadong matamis yan eh. Or try natin this time. Try natin yung Jollibee. Jollibee. How do you pronounce?
Jalebi.
Jollibee. Oh, okay. Can you ask her? Can you say? No, I want to try. Just a bit. Just maybe 10
It is
rupees.
super sweet.
It's okay. Maybe 10 rupees can.
Tara, jalebi kiman dise no? Solis. Dukhan kina para ka?
Okay.
Look at in the paper.
Minikos na ni Uncle. Ayan. How much is that?
5.
5 baht? 5
5
rupees. Okay, 5 rupees. So, bigyan natin ng 10 si Uncle. It's okay. Give it to him.
Why? Rich ka ba?
Told nila siya doesn't want. Okay, let's accept this. 5 rupees. Let's go. Let's try that Jollibee.
Jalebi.
Jollibee. Okay, can I have one?
Wait.
Can I have one? Let's try mga tol. Mekos na yan. Cheers.
It's very sweet. We'll die now.
It's sweet mga tol. And
Because of sugar.
yeah,
Technically.
sweet and at the same time a little bit sour. It's a mixture of sweet and sour. Tol nila siya scared to try some of the street food kasi minekos-mekos na nila uncle. Minekos-mekos na nila tito, nila kuya.
I don't want it.
So that's why I'm exploring, trying. So let's see how my stomach will react later. Good luck to my tummy. But yeah, it's so good.
So, yeah, like magato, like this kind of things, we don't really eat from here. So I'm scared to eat it. We would usually go to what do you call a sweet shop, but a good one, a better one. But obviously we do not know if they're clean inside.
Si Tol nila siya kasi mga tol, rich kid.
Ano? Not rich.
So-
Rich in heart only.
So tayo mga tol, try natin yan. Explore natin yung mga minekos-mekos na ni uncle at ni tito, ni kuya. Ano? So mga tol, meron pa tayo isa. Tirahin na natin yan. Last one mga tol. Habang tayo nag-iikot, napakatamis mga tol. Only one is enough. Ayaw ko na. Ayaw ko na.
It's very sweet.
Yeah. So ayan mga tol, try pa tayo ng iba later. So sweet. Can I have one?
All the best. So, yes.
Good luck sa ating tiyan. Ayan. Alright, so mga tol, see you in the next video again. Let's check another food.